Hey guys, welcome back to Brightnighttech. My name is Berto, and today we're going to look at the MPOW M5 True Wireless Earbuds. We'll start with an unboxing and then we'll get into some of its features. Let's get started. Alright, let's take a look at the box. Red box as always. Tells you some of the features right there. Specifications. Alright, let's get right into it. Let's open it up. Let's take this guy out. There it is right away. Pull out some of this paperwork. Alright, we'll take a look at that in just a second. So, like all of the MPOW earbuds, it comes with some extra ear tips. We have our charging cable, which is unfortunately a micro USB. I'm kind of surprised because the last one that I did review on was a USB-C. Alright, we have an MPOW VIP Club card. Let's see what this little card is. Little charger warning, make sure it's a 5-volt square that you use to charge this with, nothing higher. And the directions. Open it up, tells you everything you can do with them. Pretty simple stuff. Alright, now let's take a look at it. Here we have the case. It has a faux leather cover over it. And it feels really good. Has some good grip. The other ones that I've done reviews on are usually very slick plastic that feels like they can slip out of your hand, but this has a nice grip to it. The little door is a little loose, but that's okay. Alright, let's take a look at the earbuds. Okay, they have a very unique shape, which is they are oval. They're just a straight up oval shape. They're a good size. They're small. Super light. Let's take a look at these earbuds because they are different than the M20s and the M15s that I have. If we look at them closely, there's the MPOW logo right there. Now the difference is that this is an actual physical button you have to push. You see it light up right there. You actually have to push it down. Very important. Both sides are physical buttons. It's not a touchpad like the other ones. Not a huge inconvenience, but you do have to be a little firmer when you press down on them, obviously, when you're wearing them to get them to do what you want. Now let's compare them to the M15s that I have. So as you can tell, they're a little bit smaller. There's that oval shape I was talking about. The M15s have this rounded shape that looks like it would fit in your ear a little bit better. We'll talk about the comfort in just a second. To charge these bad boys, it's the exact same way that you do any earbud. I don't know why I go through this, honestly. Put that guy in there, you put this guy in there, and it's charging. Boom. Easy peasy. Alright, so like I mentioned before, it's got a micro USB charging cable that goes with it. Again, a little disappointed. The M15s that I just did were micro USB. These guys are going to charge a little bit slower, but that's alright. Not a huge deal breaker. And to be fair, most people will probably have a ton of micro USB cables at home, so you can charge at any time. Alright, syncing these guys up is super easy, just like all the other ones. You pull these guys out, go to your app, go to settings, click on there, go to your Bluetooth, wait till it comes up, MPOW M5s, click on that, and boom, you're connected. Something else about these guys is that you cannot use them independently. If you just want to wear one, mono mode, you're going to have to wear the right one. So if you were hoping to use them independently like that, unfortunately you would not be able to do it with these guys. But again, it's all about preference. If that's not a huge deal to you, then these are going to be great for you anyways. Alright, let's talk about comfort. So I did find these guys very comfortable, but because of its unique shape where it's just rounded and it's not shaped exactly for your ear, I do have a feeling like it's gonna fall out if I move too much. It didn't, but you get that feeling. Alright, these guys are gonna set you back $49.99 on Amazon. That is a great price for these guys. If you're still looking for a starter pair of wireless earbuds, MPOW is such a solid company that you have a ton of choices going through them, and this is definitely one of them. These guys are IPX7 waterproof, so they resist sweat and rain. Alright, so these guys are going to give you 6 hours of listening time in buds and 36 hours with the charging case. That is pretty decent time. So these guys are not going to give you that fast charge, so you are going to have to charge them 2 full hours in order to get a full charge out of them. Alright, sound quality is pretty on par with all the MPOW earbuds that I've tested before. Phone calls are clear and crisp when you use it. When you're listening to music, it is very decent sound. These guys say that they come with bass plus audio, which I do get a rich sound when I wear them. I didn't feel like I was getting cheated out of sound quality at all. These guys don't come with any preloaded EQs, and you can't customize it. But, like I said, the sound is really good, so you're going to be pretty happy with it if it's not a huge deal breaker for you. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. And we will see you next time.